Welcome to Top Questions Answered. In this short wildlife video, you will learn how fish know when danger is lurking, and you will discover the common kingfisher's secret to its hunting success. You will also find out how the aerodynamics of this bird's beak assisted train engineers in their design of the bullet train. Let's dive straight into it. How do fish know they are in danger? Fish have receptors on their body that sense a disturbance in the flow of water around them. This is how they detect a compression wave from a nearby diving bird. The compression wave alerts the fish that danger is approaching, and it gives them a head start chance to escape. Now you know why those fish you tried to catch with your hand mostly got away. A big hand creates a big compression wave, and most likely some sort of splashing occurred at the same time. So how does the common kingfisher avoid making compression waves and splashes? Common kingfishers owe their high hunting success rate to the ingenious shape of their beaks. They hit the water at over 36 feet per second. The small tip of their beak has a tiny surface area, and as such presents little resistance to the water upon entry. This means the kingfisher's beak enters the water without creating a compression wave below the surface or splashing above. As the bird continues to move closer towards its target, the gradual enlargement of the beak's circumference keeps water flowing smoothly around it. This gives the bird the extra time it needs to reach the fish before its presence is detected. What happens when a train goes through a tunnel? When a train enters a tunnel, the air inside the tunnel is pushed out with such force that residents 400 meters away could feel the vibrations, and as a result, the complaints box from Oscata to Hakata was always full. This makes sense because the front of the train is flat with a large surface area. When it reaches a tunnel, the air inside the tunnel has nowhere to go except be pushed out the other end at the speed of sound. The trick engineers were faced with was to find a way for the train to move through the tunnel with less impact on the trapped air. How did the common kingfisher's beak help engineers? The common kingfisher moves from low resistance air into high resistance water without creating a disturbance. This was the perfect solution that train engineers were looking for. They studied the aerodynamics of the kingfisher's beak and found it to be so impressive it was incorporated into the design of the bullet train, which now runs faster, quieter, and requires 15% less energy than before. Not to mention, the complaints box is now empty.